I need to film a commercial, but I don't even know how to use any of this stuff.
As a Gwinnett Library card holder, your learning labs are available for you. From 3D printers to podcasting equipment, Adobe Creative Suite to circuits, there's a wide range of tech and software at your disposal. Schedule a session with a trained specialist using the Gwinnett County Library Book a Librarian form and take your project from bland to grand. So come on down to the Gwinnett County Library and visit your learning labs today. Currently available at the Centerville, Five Forks, Hamilton Mill, and the Lilburn locations. Coming soon to Duluth, Norcross, Peachtree Corners, and Sewanee. With your GCPL library card, worry no more. That's right, no money down, 0 monthly payments, and $0 shipping and handling when you visit the Gwinnett County Public Library.
Wow, this looks fantastic. Thanks, Learning Labs. Action!
All this and more at your local library. Call now at this number or go to our website for more information.